what this project is, this is Forsyth Blvd from Big Bend all the way to the Clayton city limits within University City. And this project was a federally funded project through East-West Gateway and MoDOT actually. We won this project back in 2014, went through design with the project, and now we're in the construction phase. The project actually was 80% covered by federal funds for the design and 71% covered by federal funds under construction. So first of all, what you're going to see right now, we have lots of ADA improvements going on. That's the ADA ramps here. You also have sidewalks being installed for ADA improvements, as well as curbs and also curb ramps like the ones over here. Also, there will be street resurfacing going on, and also signal upgrades, as well as bicycle facilities improvements. So this project began about the midweek of July, and actually the completion is scheduled for the first week of November. From the design, we will be redesigning these two bump outs here, as we do see from the implementation in the field that they're not actually working well with the flow of traffic in this area, so there will be some adjustments made on both actual intersections to these curb ramps. So this project was $1.2 million, funded partially through federal and obviously city funds. Probably about right there is where we want to.
No, I drew 10 foot off the. I drew it out there.